Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news from the automotive world. Turkey is currently in discussions with Chinese electric vehicle giants BYD and Chery about establishing new production facilities in the country. Let's dive into the details. Turkey's Minister of Industry and Technology, Fatih Kachir, recently confirmed that the government is not only talking to BYD and Chery, but also to SAIs and Great Wall about potential manufacturing plans. The goal? To finalize these deals as soon as possible. Why Turkey? Well, it has a customs union agreement with the European Union, making it a strategic location for exporting vehicles to Europe. Plus, Turkey is planning to impose a hefty 40% customs duty on EVs imported from China. Setting up local factories would help Chinese automakers bypass these tariffs. BYD, for example, already has a factory in Hungary capable of producing 200,000 vehicles annually. But they are eyeing Turkey as a potential site to further support their European ambitions. Turkey's local market is also ripe for EVs, with electric vehicles making up 7.5% of new car sales in 2023 and expected to rise to over 30% by 2032. If these talks lead to new factories, it could position Turkey as a significant hub for EV production and export to Europe. We'll keep you updated as this story develops. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from the world of electric vehicles.